In the factory of Chongqing Shanrui Motorcycle Corporation Limited, a batch of red motorbikes are rolling off the production line, and they will soon be shipped to Brazil and other Latin American countries. Since 2005, Shanrui has introduced this Chinese red motorcycle into the Brazilian market. Cost-effective and of high quality, the motorbike has gained a firm foothold in Brazil since its debut.
作为在巴西市场中国自主的一个摩托车品牌，新源摩托从2005年就开始开拓巴西市场。根据巴西市场特殊的习俗、文化和消费理念，专门针对性的推出了我们的摩托车产品，所以深受当地的好评。巴西的农村的地方呢，它的交通的那种环境啊，尤其它的路况啊，它就没有城市那么好。有一些部分呢，它的沙尘它就在路面上比较多，所以我们要采用特殊的这种轮胎花纹。
Efforts are also taken by Shanrui to meet environmental regulations in Brazil.
因为巴西对环保的要求非常高，所以说，在进行产业升级、产品升级的同时，我们也必须引入我们自己的电喷系统，能够达到更好的这个燃油经济消耗率，以及更好的这个排放要求，来满足巴西的准入政策要求。